how to copy and paste clips on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to copy and paste clips in CapCut. It's super easy, so now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And here, once you are inside the CapCut app, simply tap on New Project. Now here on the new page, simply select the video that you want to edit. And here, once you have selected it, simply tap on Add button at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here, once you have added the video on the timeline, let's create some clips by splitting it. So just tap on the video in timeline and after that, simply hit on split. And by doing it, the one clip has been created. And now to copy the clip, simply tap on the clip that you have got it, and after that simply scroll over the options at the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as duplicate. So simply tap on that, and once you do it, your clip has been duplicated on timeline. And that's it. That's how you can copy and paste clips on CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.